How to use your willpower. You begin by using your imagination to create an idealized representation of what you want to be, do, or have. Then, with the help of your will, maintain that image on your mental screen. If you are continually focusing on images or representations of the contrary, you cannot maintain a real and clear vision. Instead, keep the vision of what you want on the screen of your mind. Become emotionally connected to it so that it will eventually be recorded in the subconscious mind. By doing this, you change the vibration of your quantum field, which is always flowing to and through you. This field will reveal itself through activities that draw everything required to materialize your desire. By keeping the image joyfully in your mind, you intuitively know what to do. You don't really have to think about what to do, you just know it. You move forward because you are drawn to the mental image you are holding. You'll have to live as though your dream has already manifested. It will manifest if you use your will to concentrate on the beautiful image you have created. The will's purpose is to maintain the imagination's correct position. Keep your focus on what you want at all times. Bring your thoughts back to your wonderful imagination whenever they leave. The fact that your thoughts are drifting is not a cause for concern. Gradually shift your focus back to your image again until you are one with it. The most powerful type of energy in the universe is thought energy. All of time and space are absorbed by this universal energy. And when you start to focus, you establish a connection with the universe with which you are one. Everything you focus on will be able to expand. Your exciting objective is the only direction in which the power you possess may be directed once it enters your consciousness. You'll have to develop your focus ability to keep your attention on your goal. One of the best ways to develop your focus ability is through meditation. If you want to know more about meditation, you can visit the link below in the description.